Hello, Madam and Sir, and to all the employer of Hong Kong. Have a good day. I am Glyza Mina Villaruel. I am 38 years old. I live in Talisay, Balud, Masbate, Philippines. I am married and I have one daughter, 8 years old. I am high school graduate and we are 11 siblings. I am the youngest one. I am kind, loyal, respectful, helpful, and cheerful. I am willing to work in Hong Kong to support my family needs. I have work experience in United Arab Emirates since 2008 to 2012 as a domestic helper. In Bahrain since 2013 to 2016 as a domestic helper also and a cake baker. In Saudi Arabia since 2018 to 2025 as a domestic helper also. My daily routine there is cleaning, washing the clothes, cooking, and taking care of their child ages at 12, 15, 18, 20, and 22. To my future employer, I promise that I will finish my contract and extend if you need me. I am willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food and speak your language. I will treat you as my own family. I'm looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you and have a good day.